So I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your Oraimo FreePods 4 to your Windows PC. So just make sure the FreePods are charged and then open the case and take the FreePods out. And now with the FreePods out of their case, they should go into Bluetooth pairing mode immediately. And you can see that by checking the light on the left one. Okay, so once you see that green and red light, it means they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. So that means you should go to your PC settings and then go to Bluetooth and devices and then select add device and then choose the first option where it says Bluetooth. Click on that and allow it to look for devices to connect to. Now the Oraimo FreePods 4 have been detected, and all I need to do now is click on them and allow them to connect. So once it says connected for voice and music, okay, now I can close that knowing I have my Oraimo FreePods 4 connected to my Windows PC. So now if I go to my sound settings and then go to the right hand side there and click on that arrow, you can see I have connection of headphones which are Oraimo FreePods 4, this ones. And it really is as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.